right now on our way to the Clackamas River to look at some of the effects of the Riverside fire which burned out of the Mountain National Forest. So we're hoping that having this flyover day we'll be able to get a good sense of, what work has already been done by agencies like ODOT, and then flying some of the other roads that the Forest Service is planning on cutting trees alongside to be able to see what that actually looks like now. My biggest fear is, that this might be kind of an overwhelming experience to see the Clackamas River in this way.
Okay, we're about 3 miles out from the start of the Clackamas.
This looks like it's already been logged post-fire. And this is something we've been seeing all over the place where, the trees are still alive. You can see down there the base of the trees, some of them aren't even scorched. But it's the most bang for their buck to just go in there now and take them all out as fast as they can. Cutting now and asking questions later seems to be the status quo. And that's what we really don't want to see up on the National Forest along the Clackamas River. It's like really the worst time to go in and cut trees when the forest is at this very critical stage of regeneration. And this is Memaloose Road here on the right-hand side. There's the Memaloose Bridge down there. They've cut down a lot of trees already. So within the Wild and Scenic River Corridor here, what they're really supposed to be doing according to that management plan is topping the trees before they cut them down to see if they can actually keep most of the tree intact before they decide that they want to cut the whole thing.
Right.
Because that keeps, it keeps the slope stability more intact. It provides that scenic value, it provides the habitat. We're coming up on the Carter Bridge and Fish Creek off here to the right. There's just tons of cut trees over here.
Yeah, got quite a bit of cut up there, hillside on the left here.
Oh, wow, yeah. We're starting to get almost over to the Roaring River drainage. Roaring River is just up ahead.
Active logging underneath us here.
So yeah, there's some log decks down there. There's some folks working. Oh wow.
Tractor working right there.
That's hazard logging. Oh yeah, there's a lot of it. So that's interesting. That some of those trees that they're cutting actually look pretty far from the road and these power lines here. Yeah, you can see the blue dots on the trees that they cut. They don't look like it would be possible for them to fall into the road or the power line. So yeah, a lot of wood piled up here. Pretty big trees in there. That was the Sunstrip campground. There's a lot of logs downhill of the road right here. So now we're over the 57.
Okay.
Wow, yeah, look, there's some good old growth in here that looks like it did really well. Yep. This looks like it burned much more as a mosaic. Yep. There's a lot of green trees up here. I would really hope that they wouldn't be heavy-handed along the 57 road in their danger tree removal. This is a route that people take every summer to get up to Timothy Lake and Harriet Lake and everything up the Oak Grove Fork. And so we're almost to the Riverside campground where the fire started. I wonder if they cut some of these trees because of the Riverside Trail. I don't know, they shouldn't have done that. They cut all these trees down here. This is a really popular dispersed camping spot right below us.
Yeah, what is the deal there?
I've camped out a bunch of times. That's a bummer. Wow, everything on this side too. Yeah, I really didn't expect to see so many green trees cut. Maybe it was just wishful thinking, but it's a bummer to see. I mean, those are really going to be the lifeboats for this forest.